Okay, you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a different pattern. I hope you guys like it. I'm using this material. I do not have the right colors. You guys can choose different colors, obviously, and you know, whichever colors you guys like it. Alrighty then, we're going to begin by putting this one. I do not have the other stuff that I needed. I just have this one right here. I'm going to use a button like that. I have all my other material upstairs and I do not want to wake up the girls. So, put the button like that. And then we're going to grab 6 of these black sea beads. In each one of the ends. It's kind of hard. It's my first video that I'm making with this kind of material. And it's kind of hard. It's harder than if you do it with a needle. Okay, we have 6 right here. Now 6 in the other one. We have 6 right there, and then we put it all the way down like that, where the button is, like that. Now we're going to cross it. We pick up one of the black ones and we cross like this. We cross it like that. And put it all the way down like this. Now we're going to pick up six of the black ones in one of these big beads. On the other one, we're going to pick up one of the red beads, or whichever color you guys choosing, like that, and one of the black ones. So right here we're gonna cross it like this. We cross it like that. We bring all of that like this all the way down. It's going to look like that. Now we're going to pick up 4 of the black ones. Like this. and we're going to pass this thread, the one that you pick up the 4 CBs with, and we're going to cross it. Actually, it's not cross it, you pass the thread through the CB like that, from right to left, like this. Then you're going to get that little circle like that. All right, now we're going to pass the left thread through the next one, like so. Like that. And we pick up one of the red ones. I have mix of these red ones, so I'm going to separate this one so I can get one flower with these ones, like that. And one of the black ones, like this. Now we're going to pass the thread back to the red one, like so. We pull it, supposed to look like that. Now we do the same thing again. We pass the thread through the next one, like this one, like that, through the black one. We pick up again one of the red ones, one of the black ones, and we pass in the thread fishing line. That's what I'm using. It's a fishing line or cord, however you guys call it. Alright, so we're gonna pass again the needle through the next one, like so. We pick up one more of the red ones, one of the black ones, and we pass the needle, well, whatever is that you're using. In this case, we pass the cord like that, like this, pull it down, like that, and now you have this. We come out down here. Now we're going to pass, let's say, I'm gonna call this thread because I forget so many times how to call different name, so I'm sorry for that. We pass it into the next one like that. And then you have it. It's going to look like this. Looks like a little flower, like that. The left one, we're gonna pass it through this red one right here, like so. And the right one, I'm gonna pass it through this one over here, through the black one, and through the red one. Like so. Then it's going to look like that. It gets more stable, like you see right here. So that is the first one. So now right here, what we're going to do, we are going to change the colors. On the left, we're going to pick up a black one and a green one. The one to your right, we're going to pick up two of the black ones, one of the green ones, and one more of the black ones. And we're going to cross with the black one, like so. Be careful not to make knots before you finish your work. It looks like that. Now we pick up 4 with the right one, and we pass the right one like this through the black one. Sometimes you need to loosen up your work a little bit so they can pass through it, because sometimes the ends they didn't want to pass through it properly because it's too tight. So sometimes if you loosen it up a little bit, and then you can close it like that. Looks like that. I'm going from right to left this time. I'm going to pass this one through the black one. Pass that one like this. Like that. And right here we're going to begin picking up that green ones. So we pick up the green, and then we pick up the black one, and we do the same thing we do over here. Pass the needle back down just through the green one, like so. And then we pass this end of the thread, let's say that, through the next one, like so. And we repeat the same thing 2 more times. 1, then we pass it again through the next one. Like this. We pick up the green one and the black one, and we pass the thread back down through the green one. It's like that. And we pass this in through the next one. Just like that, like this. Then right there, let's see. You put one end that you're not working with out of your way, that way you know messed up. I make so many mistakes when I was learning this pattern, so now we're going to pass the right one that we're working with. This time we're going to pass it through the green one and through all the way like that, just through the green one, like so. And the one is on your left, you're gonna pass it this way through the black one, and through the green one, all the way up to the top, the one through the black one too. When you make this step, you pull it so your work is kinda bit tighter like this. It's going to look like that. Now we're going to pick up 6. The one is on your left. We pick up 6 C beads. In my case it's black, like this, and we pass that thread through the black one, which is this one right here, from top to bottom, just through the black one, like so. Well, so far, let's say you guys learn it like I did from here all the way over here. So we repeat the same thing we did right here. That's the pattern, right? So we repeat this pattern as many times as we need to make a bracelet.